Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video I gonna unbox and review my Smytten products. I got those products free because these products are from referral. I got these box from referral. Firstly, I gonna thank for those people who saw my video and installed the app, that is Smytten app, using my referral code. Because of you only I got all these products, so I'm very thankful for those people. It means a lot to me. The people who saw my video and installed the Smytten app using my referral code, so for per person if they order the product and once the product is reached to them, only then I'll get 200 rupees referral cash. And I will take and go you to the app and show you how you can purchase your favorite products from referral section. So please watch till the end of video and don't skip at any part. Before that, let me show you what are the things which I got. Firstly, my referral was 1200 rupees. In 1200 rupees, what are the things I got? I'll show you. You can see the package here. It is packed like this. It is well packed such that my product shouldn't damaged. Friends, the very first product which I got from Smytten as a referral is from VLCC. Sunscreen lotion of SPF 50 PA++ of raspberry flavor. And this product is paraben free, water resistant, long duration protection as a sunscreen or sun protest. And this one is of 375 rupees. And guys, the smell of the product is so mild, it's not so harsh. And you can see it's not like it's fully thick or it's full watery, but it's in medium. And even the product smell is of raspberry and it's not so harsh. The smell is so mild. So you can apply this product before going to sun expose of 15 to 20 minutes, and later after using this product you can apply this every after 4 hours again and again, such that your skin doesn't damages. I'm really loving this VLCC product and I've been using from long time, and this is an old product also and it's the best product also. And you know, the sunscreen is the one where everyone needs it. So I gave 375 bucks from 1200 of my referral cash. Let me move to next product, and here is my product. It's from Wet n Wild of a shade of E978. And here is my product. You can see the shade, which is of darkish red one. Here is the shade. You can see the color. And yeah, even I applied this Wet n Wild lipstick on my lips. And friends, this is worth of 295 rupees. And the smell, there is no smell actually. It's not harsh, but there is no smell. Friends, this is the second product which I got from Smytten as a referral of 275 rupees. And this is the first one and this is the second one. Friends, I will tell you some disappointing points of Smytten. In Smytten, you can see you will get many varieties of product in trial section, whereas very limited products in referral section. And even the cost of the product is so high. The cost is not so low, but all products are more than 400, more than 500, more than 300. And even for small perfume like of 10 ml perfume, even its cost of 350 rupees in referral section. And even the products are so less over there. These 1200 rupees got as referral so bad, but I was literally searching like which product I should select, because there were no product itself and all the products are costlier. And if there is a product, so that's also limited, very limited, and some products were out of stock and not at all came back. So that's the reason I didn't got any product. So I bought again within Wet n Wild lipstick as a second product, as 2 Wet n Wild lipstick and 2 VLCC sunscreen. This is so crazy, right? Like literally I was not getting any products. So what I thought is, let me use this one VLCC for me and my mom also used the same brand 1VLCC sunscreen, so I thought of taking this for her. And Wet n Wild lipstick, I taken one for me and one for my sister. And other brand lipstick was there, but it was costly. It was like more than 699, 799 rupees. But I don't know, as I'm taking full size product, I don't know whether it works fine or not. Since I know the Wet n Wild product, I already used this and I know how it works, but I don't know other lipsticks and all. So I thought like I'm taking this to Wet n Wild and to VLCC cream. And let me go you to the screen and let me show you like how to redeem your referral cash from Smytten app. Go to Smytten app. Once you are in over there, and you can see there at the top 1400 is my referral cash and 199 is in my Smytten wallet. So I'll go with the 1400, and these are the products which are in a referral section. And you can see the face pack of 199 rupees. So for only one sheet mask you should pay 199 rupees. It's costly, right? In Nike I will get many products for 99 in offers, and also I didn't choose that. You can see the Wet n Wild lipstick, it's of 295 and I chosen that. You can see there 295 rupees is redeemed from my account of 1400 rupees, and now it is of 1105. And finally, these are the products which I got from Smytten. Just you need to add this product to your cart, and finally you need to place the order. No money will be deducted for shipping or for product. 1400 referral cash, I bought this 4 product, and I think 110 rupees is remaining on my wallet balance. And another thing, if you have 200 rupees or 100 rupees, you can't redeem. Only after 400 rupees you can redeem your cash. So you can't redeem for 100, 200, 300 rupees. Only you can do after 400 rupees. And these are the products which I got from referral cash. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.